Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at SBR1 Residency, which is located in Whitefield, Bangalore, a project developed by SBR Group. And today we are here to do the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builder. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I am standing on the actual land parcel and basically this is the marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the details. And now about the land parcel, well, the construction work is going on. So this is where the construction work is going on in progress. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project will be constructed on total 11.75 acres of land parcel, which is divided into phase wise. So there are two phases. Let's focus upon phase 1, which has been constructed on total 8 acres of land parcel with 12 blocks. And here each block will be of 3 basement ground plus 20 floors with 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's do the location part, and this project is exactly located on Atal Bihari Vajpayee Road in Channasandra, Whitefield, Bangalore. And now let me show you the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Road. So basically this is the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Road, and this road from this side will connect you towards Hope Farm Junction. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Hope Farm metro station in 1.5 kilometers. Street Shantiniketan Mall is 4 kilometers away from the location. Now coming to the amenities part. And this project provides you 52 plus luxurious amenities, like this is the grand clubhouse of total 55,000 square feet with ground plus 3 floors, having lot of internal amenities like swimming pool, cafeteria, co-working space, external amenities like a garden area, cricket pitch, multi-purpose court and many more. Now about the super built up area, and as mentioned this project provides you 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. So 2.5 BHK here is starting from 1199 to 1310 square feet super built up area, and 3 BHK starting from 1628 to 1752 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So our project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is SBR1 Residency, which is located in Whitefield, Bangalore, a project developed by SBR Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.